Monday.com Microsoft 365 or 365 integration tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate the Microsoft 365 to your Monday workspace. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over monday.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to fix up the workspace that we work with. So once you have did that, as you can see, this is the dashboard. We're going to head over up top to the header. At the right side, we're going to click on the favicon of the account. And from here, we're going to choose App Marketplace. On the App Marketplace, we're going to type in the name Microsoft 365. We're going to click on Enter. And it is going to show up here the forms of 365 as SharePoints. So we are going to have the first app, which is going to be by David Simpson Apps. We're going to have this. You can go ahead and have the 365 divided not on the this app, but basically on the third-party apps that you can find here. For example, Microsoft Forms, Power BI here, and I don't know here, SharePoint, whatever, Microsoft Teams. You can go ahead and have them individually like that, or you can go ahead and select the 365, which is going to be this, install this app and set up the automations that you are going to have here. What is the purpose of this app? Basically, it is going to let you export PDF or to Word, Excel, and emails, all the type of files that you're going to have in here. So it is going to set you up with the, as you can see, the embedded form of the project, and also the modification dates, the personnel, or the statistics that you're going to have there. And then it is going to export them as PDF, as reports, analytics, and etc. Also, maybe if you are going to have, for example, this one, this is going to be a board. We can go ahead and export it as an Excel file. So it is going to be modifiable within Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. So it is going to have the format of XLSX, I think. And here you go. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.